options.
Welcome back.
Luna options. Rewind.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
disable that straight away. I
I'm
don't.
dead.
I don't need that shit. Oh, GG.
You're fucking kidding me.
GG, guys.
GG.
Alright.
For real.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for waking. Thanks for waking up.
At 6
You got it,
a.m.
bud.
Thanks for waking
Hey,
up.
no worries.
Cheers.
And you guys instantly murder him. What the fuck?
I had no idea. Oh,
Hi, Lake. I'm
Hey.
next to you.
I'm glad because if she won, I was assuming that was you and not just some effect of another player.
Do I just stay here?
You are more than welcome to stay here. You
Yeah,
have
you
no
can.
obligation if you want to sleep more.
Yeah, she wanna go sleep more or like?
Nah, it's too late.
Do you want to screen share?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Oh god.
Yeah, boy.
I can't believe you got fucking insta-murdered.
You got insta killed. It's crazy. Dude,
was-
Hammer's
that was
here. We have to insta kill him. He's really good on a horse. Have you seen those highlights from 8 years
He could
ago?
turn into a horse.
Duh. Did you not remember? Duh, 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 duh. Frag out!
Yeah,
I
I was just staircasing and then someone like I just got lava placed on me. I was like, oh, okay. Someone's quitting me out.
GG's.
GG's.
I sure am glad that we made an effort to show up to this UHC as special guests.
Yeah.
Crit out immediately!
How immediately is insane.
Well, this was my 2026 UHC.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us, Ben. I'm glad.
I'm so happy.
Some things are just out of my control.
Oh,
No, I
man.
fully believe this was all you, mate.
This was as
Right,
intended.
This
Yeah.
is actually an elaborate ruse because I wanted to make you suffer.
Yeah.
I just, like, the only cave I found was lakes.
Ooh, sharp.
The only cave I found was fucking full of people.
Yeah, and they
Yeah,
came
and they found you
Yeah.
too. And they did something
Also,
about it, unfortunately. I wonder if I can
The
roar.
guy that killed me was fucking
Yeah, okay.
invisible, so I don't like. I had no idea he was there.
That was me. I just wanted to do a roar.
Yeah, I know.
Yes! The roar does stuff. Ugh.
Oh, minute. I need to check. What is my light level? It is 0. What happens when I go next to lava?
That level will go up.
Yes, but will it go past 3?
It should.
I would expect it to, but also, how the fuck am I meant to get enchants if I can't cave in a cave with lava?
Just don't go near it.
Honestly,
Ben, why do you not have subtitles on right now?
Hey man, I'm checking it. Yes!
Sound.
He's on the way.
What?
Music and sound, mate.
Oh, there.
It should be below you.
Oh.
I'm just next to Lake again. I'm just doubling back. I'm just going back into his cave.
It's below you.
How much iron you got? I need an anvil to put anything good on my
light level.
axe.
Well, my light level is 12. How close can I get? I can get this close to lava. This
Wait, so
fucking
what?
sucks.
What are you?
Oh
what
hell yeah,
makes
we've
you
got a
not
we've got a man in
enchant?
the chair.
A what?
Yeah.
We've got a what?
Wait, redstone gives you fucking 6 light? I can't
Yeah.
hit redstone.
Yeah, redstone does give you light. Yeah, that's a weird quirk, but
Wait,
I
Ben,
did-
what was your thing again?
I did-
Boogeyman.
I did know that one
Boogeyman.
actually.
No, I knew it, but I figured it was
You
less
forgot.
light than.
Yeah.
If I stay far enough away.
Oh, I'm gonna update this Scrabble for the fun of it. There we go. Oh, there's more. Excuse me. Block updates, thank you.
This fucking sucks.
And you better not walk on top of any redstone either.
Oh my god. For 10 minutes?
Ben, this cave's kind of dead. You want to go, like, die?
In 10 minutes time.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. No, I'm going a block above. I can't risk it having light. I want to get these enchants just to, like, there's just a pride aspect of this now.
Okay, I would offer to enchant for you, but that's fine.
Huh.
Don't kill us, please. Bad news about the people you're dealing with on this server, buddy.
Yeah.
$10 per quartz?
Ooh, don't touch
Oh.
it. Don't touch it.
Oh no. Ben, just go AFK.
I am so tempted.
That's not bad. There's worse shouts out there.
My question is, right, are you reading the Dark Armor?
Yeah.
I think it only gives me 1 level of enchant after 10 minutes.
Yeah. I'd assume so.
This is fucking impossible.
But it applies to everything, right?
Yeah, but like... Oh man.
Wait, hold on, Lake.
Hello, sir.
Something I just remembered. Can you put the enchant table down? How much light does it give off?
The enchant table gives off light?
Yes.
Oh, how do you check that?
Well, just in a go light level 0 and then just place it underneath you.
Okay, hang on then.
Say
Can I just dig down 3 blocks and then block above me and that'll be like level 0?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Oh, cool. I'll just like tunnel into here, actually. Oh wow, Bros just on a killing spree.
Hey, you killed Marku.
Oh wow. Right, where's where's light level on F3? Light level. Oh, is that light level 6?
Enchanting table?
I didn't know that about the enchant table. That's a good pull. I did not know that knowledge check. Good job. I learned something today.
That's fucking critical. Wait, I'm invisible? Why am I invisible?
Someone's near you.
Wait,
Oh, legit? Is it me? Can't be me.
If the boogeyman is within 50 blocks radius of an enemy player, they turn into
On the way, on the way.
like.
Oh,
zoinks.
Sonic Scoob. We gotta get out of here.
Okay, let's see. Which one of my abilities can help here? Let's get that on the bar. Let's get that on the bar.
Now
I don't
use
think
the use the slime ball, and they might track to the nearest enemy player.
I'm scared of that because I don't trust their coding. Like, are you coming over here?
Yes, sir. I assume that's you. Yes, it is. Are you
have
still?
the
In,
hoe
are you
which can
still?
teleport you?
Are you still invis?
I am still invis, and I'm like all the way back at you.
Oh crap! We gotta
Don't
find
place
these
any
bastards.
tables.
How long do I stay invis for? I'm just permanently invis, or is there something that makes me like invis at night, or something? No,
What's your
wait,
other
it'll
thing?
be daytime. Vampire. No, that makes me glow.
Whenever it's daytime and the vampire's infinite glowing.
Wait, I hear them. Like they're digging to you through the wall to the north. Why am I shifting?
Yeah, Ben, you can run. You also have the hose, so you can like teleport. As soon as you see them, do the slime ball, mate.
Oh,
Yeah, I will do. I'm just waiting for them to come through that wall. Like, you should just look normal.
I just look normal. Okay,
We have a 2v1. Let's fight
that's
it.
a good point.
You don't know if it's one.
It's also a good point. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to type in
Oh,
chat.
Ben, you should
Yeah.
have a black wool that gives everyone blindness for 5 seconds within 20 blocks.
If I type in chat, then they will
Wait,
think.
I see the digging. I see the digging. They're half diamond. Lake, are you ready?
Yes.
Use the slime ball and then the wool.
He's shifting into the wall to the left.
Okay.
What's it doing?
Privyet. I'll go down this way.
He is invis.
He's in this?
He's here! Lake!
Why is there a damn gas lamp?
You insta-died.
They are in this again? Oh shit, they just teleported away. I don't know where the hell they are. They can TP?
Video games. And then we disconnect.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know where my guy went. He just disappeared on me. He just like gone for invis.
Did he take his armor off?
No, he didn't
Oh,
take his
well.
armor off because like. What type of the beast in the bed? Yes, sir. Who was that? Golden with the what's golden with the ends on 67. Sorry, Ben, I wasn't ready for that.
Neither was he.
I was trying to bait still. I thought you
Ben
were.
looked away for like.
Honestly,
1
I thought.
second.
Honestly, I thought you were more hidden. But I don't know where he went. He just disappeared into the ether.
So I was worried that he was rotating. You were a bit far away from where I needed you to be.
I see. I was trying to bait him in, and then like I turned around and that we get them both. That's all I thought was happening.
Yeah,
That's
no,
okay.
because I was not invisible enough for that.
Were you not? I see.
I was just like around a corner. So it was like surprise, but also he 2-hit me.
He
So-
did.
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't ready for that. I was prepared to like double back. I was because like I want it to look kind of normal, so I just went down a different bit of the cave just to like lure him out. Because I thought, oh, this will get him out. But he just disappeared in front of me. I don't know where he went. He like went fully away.
Oh.
Is there a thing that just lets you teleport or some shit, man?
Probably.
Probably.
I mean, Ben had a hoe that would have let him teleport 15 blocks.
Oh, he probably
Yeah.
used that.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I just I see. So basically,
Yeah, fucked.
yeah. basically, we tried we tried something. It didn't work out all that well. I'm not that fussed.
No.
Honestly, I might just run around and soundboard with Roar of Intimidation. I don't hate that play from me.
I believe that you can win.
I don't mind it. Well, time to make your head bend because you didn't get your loot. Lovely.
Great.
He killed you just for the play, or for the love of the game.
He actually was just stat padding.
Yeah. Was I the first one dead?
Honestly, I don't even think so. I think somebody else got killed first.
That's crazy. I was the first to die.
You were the first to die?
Yeah,
That's an honor.
yeah. I'm so happy I was the first to die in the last season of whatever this is.
Is this the last season?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. In that case, it'd be really funny if I won.
Yeah.
This- uh... Oh. Okay. Oh wait, I should make an anvil and put sharpness on my axe. But when he went, oh yeah, he definitely must have TP because like the armor like just did that also disappeared instantly, and I thought maybe that was a new buff to Invis or some shit. Like, you could tell me anything's part of a kit and I believe you. Can I roar?
Maybe he just logged off. He just left.
Maybe. It's currently
Did you have
spectating the
to-
losing team, and I think it's not me because I'm not a team. Oh wait, you guys are both dead screen, chest screen, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you also have to
Like-
commentate. It's a
Okay.
recorded round.
There you
Yeah,
go.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, guys, we're going to the surface. It's my entire screen, by the way. For some reason, Minecraft doesn't let me stream to Discord as a window,
That's right.
so I don't know if you get sound.
Like, I
Would
hope you
you?
don't, you're wasting a hotbar space. You've got some grey dye on there.
Oh no, good sir, don't worry. That is the Roar of Intimidation. In another 1 minute and 17, I will be using my gifted soundboard on the server.
As you should.
In another 1 minute and 6 seconds, I'll be using my gifted soundboard. I'm gonna run to the corner of the map and just soundboard spam. I think that's my strat. I need to be
I think you
careful.
should tower.
Good shout.
I think you should go to like close to 0-0, get a shit ton of blocks, and then just like tower over.
Now, honestly,
I honestly think that you don't want to spend that amount of time. I think you should just try to fucking kill someone, man.
But consider this: I have not set off the Roar of Intimidation. I don't have bones for them, unfortunately.
What the fuck is even the point?
You have an Ender Pearl. You can get out.
I do have an
Yeah,
Ender Pearl.
That was mine.
Along with like 20 other things I could have on the hotbar, realistically. Let's be real with ourselves.
Do you even need a pickaxe?
Honestly, maybe not.
Nice.
There we go. Come on, Cal. I'm running, but like not to 0-0 because that's what the confident people are. So I'll just pick off a random straggler.
I feel like everyone's gonna
Or
be
more
underground
likely,
unless they're going for kills.
more likely. Just...
What's the cooldown of the roar? Like full.
Like
7 minutes.
That's like 7 minutes. Yeah. Well,
Jeez.
it's fine. Ooh, this looks like a power. I don't know what it does. Put some ice down.
Nice.
Nice. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. I mean, I could see myself using the rest of the... whatever.
You can enchant some books.
I could. 5 minutes 51 until another roar.
Actually heartbreaking.
I should have roared. Oh, sorry, Ben. That could have saved you. I forgot it does stuff, and it's not just a gifted soundboard. Fuck. We'll catch someone off guard, or they'll catch me off guard. It's a 50-50.
Yeah. Me and Ben both got caught off guard, so your chances are looking good.
Yes! 3 for 3. Gonna be 3 for 3.
I went down.